Miriam, stop, nag. Kala. Baba. Kala. Nag. Kala. Baba. Kala.
Bonne année, Happy New Year. Hello, happy people. Welcome back to my channel, your channel 2026. Reset, start, and focus. Let's clean up. Na lelo na ye ko lakisa ko bongisa mbula sika makamba sika te me mbula sika habitude ya sika ya bien et continuer quoi. I'm just cleaning up after all these parties, holidays, eating. So I needed to reset my kitchen. So a fun time. Na butwa lelo, nazo clean, nazo lia, no waste of food. I can't put this in the bin. I can't. Let's eat it together. Problem is that the job is shared, so my responsibility is to clean the kitchen. What are the musala ndaku eza ya moto moko te po bato bavandi na ndaku. House work can't be for one person because you are living with people. Encourage people, young people, children to help with housework because it's a life skills as well, you know. Nga awa to suko basene na papa na bana bali, and then the job was shared. So we shared the job, what to do, who is doing this. And then I end up with my man, of course, clean up the kitchen.
Hervé, et joyeux Noël ma chérie. Et toi, tu dors pas? Oh, tu es au boulot, hein? Tu es au boulot? Bisous, maman Monica. Bisous, ma belle. On fait les boulots. Yeah. Je suis avec monsieur. On a bien mangé, on était ensemble en famille, et là, alors ça me sert. La tiaka bopo, basani za makelele te. Non sozo zo basani, on gâte basani za makelele. Tanti na ngam à l'accent méthode. Ngate basani samba ke.
Et merci beaucoup. Abonnez-vous massivement, like, subscribe, share and comment. Yes, thank you. Chaque chose a son temps. Et donc, on est we always start from somewhere and then you have to finish up. So there is no job, endless job. No. So I had a shower. You know those aggressive shower, yeah? The shower just like a slap your skin. Yeah, it was so therapeutic. And then I come back for the last touch. Na bongisa mukie po mama aya kana suka pa bongisa o. Oh, merci beaucoup, bonne année, happy new year, all the best. Keep shining, go explore. Turn yourself from caterpillar to butterfly. Go do good things for you. Be you, do you for you. Okay? Zala muinda o ezali kola mesa. Kola mesa ezate kaka 2026 muto memelo makamba malamu. Memelo makamba malamu ba bonnes habitudes continuer oya mabe kata. Et all the best. Merci beaucoup na présence nabino, and then I will see you to the next episode. I'm not ending yet, yeah? It's still till the end. I'm glad because the lady advised me